Has your business considered upgrading to LED lighting? Worried it's too costly? Let's find out how much it's costing you to not upgrade. Let's say the annual cost to light your business is around $23,000 plus $4,000 for maintenance. If you do nothing, that cost should remain about constant year after year. On the other hand, a lighting upgrade would be about a $57,000 capital expense, but would lower the annual energy and maintenance costs to about $4,000 a year. By doing nothing, you're saving about $34,000 the first year. But in year 2, and each year after that, the cost of doing nothing is $23,000. When the cost of the upgrade is averaged together with the annual energy cost, we find that the break-even point occurs prior to year 3, and the cost of doing nothing increases every year for the life of the equipment, up to 15 years for LEDs, which means that the cost to do nothing could add up to nearly $290,000.